Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make Ferrero Rocher. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. I'll admit I was a little nervous about this one. Ferrero Rocher is a classic, elegant candy with a delightfully distinct flavor and texture I thought might be kind of tough to get right. There are a few recipes online that looked pretty close, but I wasn't totally happy with any of them. So I took some of their ideas, made some substitutions, and finally came up with something that I think could work. Let's find out. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Ferrero Rocher, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 3 cups of roasted hazelnuts for the filling, some hazelnuts for the centers, 1 cup of chocolate hazelnut spread, 16 ounces of milk chocolate, and 6 ice cream waffle cones. I'm also using a food processor, a mixing bowl, a spatula, a scoop, a cutting board, some parchment, and a couple of precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. Crush the cones into small pieces. Grind the nuts for the filling. You want a fine grind, but stop before you make hazelnut butter. Gradually mix the ground hazelnuts into the chocolate hazelnut spread until it's thick enough to form into balls. Scoop some of the mixture, insert a hazelnut into the center, and roll it into a ball. Roll the ball in the crushed cones to coat it evenly. Give it another roll to make sure the crumbs adhere. Place the ball on a lined cutting board. Continue with the rest of the mixture and place the balls in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Melt the milk chocolate, then dip a ball into the chocolate, let the excess drain, and place it on a lined cutting board. Continue with the rest of the balls. Place them in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes, then give them a second coat of chocolate. Return them to the refrigerator for another 5 minutes to allow them to completely set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. Okay, my fears were totally unfounded. It's got the creamy crunch I was looking for, and the chocolate hazelnut flavor is pretty dang close to an actual Ferrero Rocher. If you want to recreate the flavor of this classic treat in your own candy kitchen, you really ought to try these. Okay, let's make some... Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make Ferrero Rocher. Sick. That was horrible. Can't even say stick around.
Wow. Give it up. Retire.